G'day scrollers, welcome back. Let's try this Extension 2 maths question on simple harmonic motion from 2024. We have a particle moving in simple harmonic motion and its acceleration is given by minus 4x plus 1. Now, whenever we see the acceleration of an object in SHM, we know it looks something like this. This is our standard form for acceleration in simple harmonic motion. So comparing this with this, I can see that my n is going to be 2 and I can see my c is going to be minus 1. Now, n relates to your period and c tells you your center of motion. Now, the goal of this question is to find the distance traveled in one full period of its motion. So I'm going to have to find something out about either the period or the amplitude. Up next, I'm going to use an equation that is not on the reference sheet, but I teach it to all my Extension 2 students because it's really useful for simple harmonic motion. It looks like this. It's an equation relating velocity, period, amplitude, center, and displacement in any particle under simple harmonic motion, which is good because I have a lot of information about stuff in this equation. I know what n is and I know what c is, so let's sub them in. Now, trying to find the distance traveled in one full period, if I can just figure out what the amplitude is, that's all I really need to answer this question because I know what the center of motion is. Luckily, I have some information about the location and the speed. It says in the question that when we pass through the origin, our speed is 4. That tells me that when x is equal to 0, my velocity is equal to 4. I can sub these two into my equation here and it'll simplify very quickly because I've just got that 4 out the front and I've got 0 plus 1 in here. Let's divide both sides by 4, so we get 4 equal to a squared minus 1. And now it's very easy to solve for a. We're going to add the 1 across and take the square roots, and so we get amplitude is equal to plus or minus root 5. So now I know the center of motion, and I know the amplitude. I know my movement looks something like this. We have minus 1 in the middle, these are my endpoints, and we're oscillating between them. So to answer the question, pick up our 3 marks. To find the distance traveled in one full period, it's kind of like we're starting up here, we're going all the way down the bottom, and then back up the top. So we're doing root 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and that's how we get our answer. We're just going to do 4 times root 5, and 4 root 5 was the 3-mark answer for this E3 question. If you need help with your mechanics, check me out on YouTube. I've got heaps of stuff that might be helpful for you in preparation for your HSC. But thanks for watching and see you again soon.